Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Margot.
And today we'll be making
Santa's Belly Shower Jelly. Rashman will be compounding.
To start, we boil water to create a star anise infusion.
We wrap our star anise in cheesecloth and steep it just like a cup of tea.
We love using fresh, real ingredients, so we take apples and grapes and juice them ourselves. Then we blend glycerin with carrageenan powder. Carrageenan is a cruelty-free alternative to gelatin and gives our jellies the same wiggly wobble while softening your skin. Then we stir and stir and stir some more.
Now let's add that iconic Santa red to mix it up and disperse the color.
Then you guessed it, we stir some more and heat it all up until we reach the perfect temperature.
Let's add in the signature fragrance and throw in some plastic-free gold stars to really make our mixture shine. Our stars are technically edible, but we still don't recommend you eat them. Sorry.
Now we're ready to sprinkle a little plastic-free gold glitter into the mold before we pour the rest of our mixture in.
Like any jelly, we let it cool down so that it can set into its iconic holiday shape.
Finally, we place the jellies in the jars, screw on the lids, slap on the labels.
Now they're ready to jiggle their way into showers everywhere.
Thanks for watching. You should check out our other videos.
Be sure to leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like to see next.